So I am replacing the injector seals on my Porsche Cayenne turbo diesel, and what has happened is the old copper seal on there fell off of the old injector when it came out. So I'm going to show you a little trick that I've used before that will hopefully work. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this long screwdriver here, and I'm going to put just a little bit of this shop rag on it, this blue shop towel. I'll try to do it with one hand even so you guys can see. And really what I'm trying to do here is to get it down in there and get that through the center of that copper washer. And kind of push a little bit more in through there. And then twist it around a little bit. And then want to nice and slowly pull it up. First attempt didn't work. Let's try it again. So what I'm trying to do is to push that through the center of that ring. And try to get more of the paper towel on the other side so that it gives it a little bit of tension to hold on to it. Okay, there, it feels like it stuck it in pretty good. Aha, there we go. See that little copper washer is stuck in that paper towel, and I pulled it right out. So if you have a seal that's fallen off on your TDI or other diesel, they do make some kind of tool to extract these out, but I'm too cheap for that. So anyways, if you thought this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.